Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best camping stoves in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of each stove, providing you with the information you need to make an informed decision. So, whether you're a seasoned camper or a novice adventurer, this video is a must-watch. I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Eureka SPRK Butane Camping Stove. This little powerhouse promises to make your outdoor cooking adventures both easy and enjoyable. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and why it might be your next favorite camping companion. First up, let's talk about its compact design. The Eureka SPRK is crafted with portability in mind, measuring just 15.3 L by 13 inches W by 3.6 H and weighing only 5.2 pounds. Its all-in-one design includes an integrated fuel compartment for an 8-ounce butane canister. Plus, it comes with a handy carry case for easy transport. Next, the stove's powerful 11,500 BTU burner really stands out. Whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or boiling water for coffee, this stove has you covered. It offers high-precision simmer control and can go from a light simmer to full output in no time, making meal prep a breeze. Ease of use is a major plus for the Eureka SPRK. The auto-ignition system ensures quick and hassle-free starts, while the built-in double-walled wind protection keeps the flames steady in breezy conditions. You can count on a strong, consistent flame every time you cook. One of the great things about this stove is its versatility. It can accommodate pots and pans up to 11 inches in diameter, making it perfect for a variety of cooking needs. Whether you're car camping, tailgating, or enjoying a backyard barbecue, this stove adapts to your culinary adventures. Finally, durability is key for any camping gear, and the Eureka SPRK doesn't disappoint. It features adjustable feet for stability on uneven surfaces and is compatible with the Eureka griddle accessory. With over 120 years of experience, Eureka ensures the stove is built to last through all your outdoor escapades. So, there you have it, the Eureka SPRK Butane Camping Stove. With its compact design, powerful burner, ease of use, versatility, and durability, it's a fantastic addition to your camping gear. Number 4. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp System Camping Stove. This is not just any camping stove. It's a portable powerhouse designed to elevate your camping culinary experience. So, let's get cooking. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system features a dual-burner design that's perfect for any outdoor setting. Whether you're making a quick coffee or a gourmet meal, this stove handles it all. Plus, it's JetLink compatible, allowing you to connect other Jetboil stoves or a Luna satellite burner for a complete cooking range. This system comes with a 5-liter Jetboil FlexRing camping pot with a strainer lid and a 10-inch ceramic-coated non-stick fry pan. These essentials mean you can cook anything from pasta to pancakes with ease. And the best part? Everything stows neatly in the included travel bag, making it super portable. With a beastly 10,000 BTU heating system, the Genesis Basecamp stove boils water in just over 3 minutes. This efficiency is perfect for melting snow on winter adventures or making your morning coffee quickly. No more waiting around when you're hungry or in need of a warm drink. The attachable windscreen enhances performance in any weather conditions. Plus, the stove is regulated for consistent performance down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, -6 degrees Celsius. Whether it's windy, cold, or both, this stove has got you covered, ensuring your meals are always cooked to perfection. When packed, the stove measures just 10.3 inches by 7.2 inches and weighs 9.1 pounds. It's compact enough for backpacking yet powerful enough for base camp cooking. The carrying bag even has a pocket for the regulator. This stove is ideal for camping, RV trips, survival scenarios, and more. So there you have it. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp System Camping Stove is your perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. It's compact, efficient, and designed to make your cooking experience as enjoyable as possible. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor meals, this stove is a must-have. Number 3. The Primus Kinjia Camping Stove. This lightweight, compact, and high-performing 2-burner stove promises to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Let's explore its features and see why it's a must-have for your camping trips. The Primus Kinjia is designed for easy traveling. Weighing only 8.2 pounds and measuring 18.7 by 11.6 by 3.1, it's lighter and more compact than most two-burner stoves. This makes it perfect for those who want a powerful stove without the bulk. With its dual burners, the Kinjia allows you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously at different temperatures. Each burner has an impressive output of 10,200 BTU or 3,000 W, ensuring that you can whip up delicious meals efficiently, whether you're feeding one person or 10. The Kinjia's design is all about convenience. Its wood-trimmed handle locks the stove closed for easy carrying, and the spring-action locking mechanism keeps the regulator securely in place. This thoughtful design means you can transport your stove without any hassle. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with the Kinjia. It features removable stainless steel pot supports and a stainless steel drip tray. These components are easy to take out and clean, making maintenance simple and stress-free. Invented in Sweden and made in Europe, the Primus Kinjia boasts top-notch craftsmanship. This high-quality build ensures durability and reliability, so you can count on it for many camping trips to come. Just remember, gas is not included. The Primus Kinjia camping stove offers a blend of portability, performance, and thoughtful design, making it a fantastic addition to your outdoor gear. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use stove for your adventures, this one's definitely worth considering. Number 2. The Coleman Cascade Classic Camping Stove. Whether you're heading to a campsite, planning a picnic, or just hitting the road, this portable stove promises to be your trusty cooking companion. Let's explore what makes this stove a must-have for every adventure. First up, let's talk about portability. The Coleman Cascade Classic features a compact design that's perfect for on-the-go adventures. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it an ideal choice for camping trips, picnics, and roadside stops. No more lugging around heavy gear. This stove goes wherever you go. Next, let's discuss cleanup. This stove has a removable chrome-plated grate and an aluminized steel cooktop, making it incredibly easy to clean. After a hearty meal, simply remove the grate and cooktop for a quick scrub. You'll spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying the great outdoors. Cooking control is crucial when you're out in the wild, and this stove delivers. With improved knob rotation, you get precise temperature and simmer control. The two adjustable burners allow you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. Plus, the rotary ignition ensures quick, matchless lighting every time. Don't let its size fool you. This stove packs a punch. With a total of 20,000 BTUs of cooking power, you'll have no trouble whipping up a feast. From boiling water to simmering sauces, the Coleman Cascade Classic handles it all with ease, ensuring delicious meals every time. Finally, let's talk size. This stove comfortably fits both 12-inch and 10-inch pans, offering versatility for your cooking needs. Whether you're making breakfast for one or dinner for a group, you'll have plenty of space to cook up a storm. It's perfect for all your culinary creations on the go. In conclusion, the Coleman Cascade Classic Camping Stove is a fantastic addition to any outdoor adventure. Its portable design, easy cleanup, improved cooking control, powerful performance, and versatile size make it a top choice for campers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Number 1. The Coleman Classic 2-in-1 Camping Grill Stove. If you're planning your next outdoor adventure, this versatile piece of gear could be your new best friend. Let's explore why this grill and stove combo is a must-have for your camping trips. Asterisk 2-in-1 design. First up, the 2-in-1 design. You can use both the grill and stove simultaneously, making it a breeze to cook multiple dishes at once. Plus, the non-skid feet ensure stability, allowing you to stir and flip without any worries. It's convenience and versatility wrapped into one. Next, let's talk about the burners. The Coleman Classic features 2 independently adjustable burners, giving you precise temperature control. With perfect flow and perfect heat technology, you'll enjoy steady heat with less fuel. Say goodbye to uneven cooking and hello to perfectly prepared meals. Moving on to cooking control. The improved knob rotation offers the ultimate simmer control, perfect for delicate dishes. Wind block protection shields the burners from wind, ensuring consistent performance. No more struggling to keep the flame going on a breezy day. Cleanup is a breeze with this grill-stove combo. The grease tray is removable, making it easy to dispose of drippings. The aluminized steel cooktop is rust-resistant, so it stays in great condition, trip after trip. Less time cleaning means more time enjoying your adventure. Finally, the matchless lighting feature. With the push-button Instastart ignition, you can light your grill stove effortlessly without needing matches. Boasting 20,000 total BTUs of cooking power, this unit ensures you have the heat you need when you need it. So, there you have it. Campers, the Coleman Classic 2-in-1 Camping Grill Stove. It's reliable, easy to use, and perfect for your next outdoor escapade.